Hello, my beautiful narc-free family. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so at this time. So today I wanted to talk to you about how to really starve a narcissist. Since I have a playlist of short videos that are 5 minutes or less about starving a narcissist, they have the hashtag Project Starve a Narc. I wanted to briefly discuss with you how to starve a narcissist. Some of you are confused about what that means to starve a narcissist. A narcissist needs one thing. They search for, they desire, they have to have one thing, and that is supply. If they don't have supply, they collapse, okay? They are body collectors. If you have been abused by a narcissist, are supply. Okay. Some of you are under the false impression that you can be friends with the narcissist after you found out that they've abused you, because this is what you're used to doing. And I know this because I have a client who is telling me that this is what she does and that she's perfectly comfortable with it. And that even after the abuse, that the person can still come over and they can hang out. Well, that might be for normal relationships, but with a narcissist, if they are still coming around, it is called a Hoover. And we want to starve them of the supply that they are getting. And we want to starve them so that we can heal. And the way to do that is to stay away from them and to detach yourself from them. You cannot be friends with a narcissist. You see, a narcissist believes that they own you. Whenever they ensnare you and they get you trapped into their little game or their little maze that they want to put you into, they believe that they own you. You are their property. That's why they keep coming back. They want you sitting somewhere waiting for them and depressed and sad and stuck. So every time you take them back, or every time you go somewhere with them or do something with them or talk to them and you think that maybe they've changed or something has gotten better, nothing's gotten better. They're the same old little narc that they were before. And nothing has changed. So save yourself the heartache of thinking that something will or can change, because it can't. There's no incentive for the narcissist to change. There's no incentive for them to stop manipulating. To stop manipulating people and to stop lying and stop cheating would mean that they wouldn't get their way. People who don't manipulate don't always get their way. The narcissist manipulates to force having their way, to force getting their wants met, not just their needs. Normal people want their needs met. They want their wants met. They are greedy and trifling. So please don't be ill-informed and think you can be friends with a narcissist after abuse, because that's what it is. It's abuse. It wasn't just a bad relationship. If you were truly with someone who had narcissistic personality disorder and they had a cycle of love bombing you, then devaluing you, and then discarding you, or you having to discard them because they were treating you so badly and they were playing with your emotions and doing the push-pull with you and word salad and gaslighting you and running all kinds of mind games on you. These types of mind games will cause you to lose your memory. It causes a small part in the back of your brain to shrink. This is nothing to play with. So please, to starve a narcissist, when you cut them off and go no contact with them, leave them alone. Don't allow them to come back into your life. They are a waste of time and a waste of space. I love you, my beautiful narc-free family. I hope that this message has helped you, helped somebody out there who needs to hear it. You are enough. Heal you. Take time for you. Love you. You've given enough to the narcissist. They'll never stop taking from you. Love you. Bye-bye, my beautiful narc-free family. I look forward to seeing you again. My name is Cree. I'm signing off.